Hi, it's Matt from Octane Specialist Cars. I hope you're well. Just going to do a quick walk around video this morning of our latest addition to stock. This is quite a rare van. This is a Volkswagen Transporter T5.1 long wheelbase Shuttle 2.0 TDi 140 DSG gearbox. Got a very interesting history, this van, only ever having one owner from new, and it was a diplomatic vehicle owned by the Thai embassy in London. So a very interesting history, coupled with that fabulous specification, an amazing service history, which is detailed on our website. Lots of history with this. We've done quite a bit to it. The van has undergone kind of an appearance pack upgrade, which includes a Sportline Front Spoiler and splitter, as you can see there. Really sets it off in Reflex Silver. This, by the way, stunning colour, very straight vehicle. We've put the sidebars on there. We've got 19-inch Amarok load-bearing Volkswagen alloy wheels. They're a 19-inch, as I say. Sportline Rear Spoiler. We've lowered the suspension ever so slightly just to make it sit and ride a bit sharper, and it just looks really cool. Really cool. It's a 9-seater as well, full leather, but we'll pick that up as we have a look round. So let's get into the detail. So we've got Reflex Silver, as I say, lots and lots of service history, one owner from new. It's got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 stamps in the book. It was DSG serviced and cam belt and water pump just 2 days ago. So it's exacting service history, on point, ready to turn the key and use. So let's take a look inside. Here we go. All the original keys, as you can see there. Service key, original key ring, electric power doors on the keys. Grey leather, really complements the silver, and it's in wonderful condition. Look at the quality of the seats. They're just absolutely stunning. Heated seats in the front, DSG automatic gearbox. Carpets are absolutely beautiful. You wouldn't think they'd ever been used. So here we go. We've got the electric sliding doors. It's a double sliding door vehicle. So we've got sliding doors to both sides. The original plastic covering is still on the protecting the carpet, so the carpets will be immaculate underneath. So here we go. Second row seats. It has window blinds to the rear windows as well. We've got automatic air conditioning and climate control and additional lights in the rear and on the third row seating. Grey leather's just lovely. Really nice. Electric sliding doors. Super cool. Here we go. The Amarok wheels I think they just look perfect on this. Lovely. Tailgate van. Being a long, plenty of space in the back. Again, plastic still on. This is factory plastic. This has been on since new, all the way through. You can see the backs of the seats, really nice. Blinds to the rear, as you can see there. They go up nicely. Headlining's in great condition. Even got a light in the back there. Just wonderful condition. Really nice. Cool van, really cool van. Electric door again, so dual side doors. There's the third row seat. Matching grey leather. Carpet's perfect. Again, cooling and heating to the back with additional lighting. Extremely comfortable. Drives superbly well. Moving into the front, as you can see, carpets immaculate on the passenger side. We've got heated seats, climate control, buttons for the electric sliding doors. We've got sat nav, we've got radio, Bluetooth. Just fantastic condition. Really nice. and a really cool looking van. Factory glass, all the stickers in all the right places, heated and electric folding mirrors. There you go, 62,800 miles from new. Absolutely lovely. Ready to go. Cam belt and water pump done earlier on this week. DSG serviced. All the books, all the papers, all the keys. Have a look on the website for further information. Thanks for watching.